Now, Terra Luna Classic is looking incredibly strong at that 10,000 point per coin level. And guys, the overall cryptocurrency market is doing a lot better than I would have ever thought, given the information that we've received this week. So in this video, I want to talk about the crypto market in general a little bit, but specifically, I want to talk about Terra Luna Classic, the burns that are taking place, because my goodness, we are making record burns at this point in time. So that is a very positive sign that we could reduce the supply of Terra Luna Classic back down to those levels where we can absolutely see $1, $10, even more, and so on. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are going to get 6 free stocks, $1 crypto trade. You're going to get $5 in free crypto. And I don't know, man. Crypto is running right now, so you could get in on this little run here. Sorry, and make some money right off the bat if it sustains, of course. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic burns, and then we're going to jump into the overall crypto market here in a second. But if you have not heard of Lunatics token, now I caution you, okay, investing in any token that you're not fully committed to and don't know everything about, it is risky. And so if you're thinking about buying the Lunatics token out there, just know that it's got some added risk because it is not Terra Luna Classic. However, they have surpassed almost everybody else to become the second largest burner of Terra Luna Classic, and it's only been a week. Guys, they burnt, I believe, 50 million Terra Luna Classic, followed by 50 million Terra Luna Classic, followed by 50 million, followed by 150 million Terra Luna Classic. Guys, I think this burn took place yesterday. A $15,000 burn in a single day. I mean, think about that. Like, they don't have to do that, and I understand that people are buying the token and you know, eating it up because they do want to see Terra Luna Classic being burnt. But imagine just lighting on fire, $15,000, burn it, and nobody's ever going to see again, and burning 150 million Terra Luna Classic in one single transaction. I mean, when you kind of put it in perspective, to think that $15,000 was just gone. I mean, it's incredible to see what these people are doing, and I absolutely believe that they can continue on. Now, let me say this, okay? We've seen a lot of projects like this in the Shiba coin community, and they are very exciting towards the beginning, and they fade out. Don't let it fade out. You know, if you're out there supporting Terra Luna, or the Lunatics, not Terra Luna Classic, always support Terra Luna Classic, right? But if you're out there supporting the Lunatics token right now, it just continue on. They are doing incredible things for Terra Luna Classic at this point in time, and they're burning a lot of tokens. So, burning a lot takes them into second place. Number 1 is MEXC Global, the centralized exchange that back when Terra Luna Classic was falling at the end of May, beginning of June, they started some program where they were burning their trading fees for an entire month, and I believe they're somewhere in the mid 500 million range. Lunatics can pass that today if they wanted to. So they're in the like 534 million or something. Lunatics token comes in number 2 at 300 million, and LUNC DAO is sitting in 3, I believe, with 269 million tokens burnt up to this point. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're out there burning 10 tokens or if you're out there burning 10 million tokens. It absolutely helps reduce that supply. And it's something that we need to realize is not going to happen overnight. It needs to be sustainable, it needs to be scalable, and we need to have that long-term approach, because nobody's going to come out and burn $500 million worth of Terra Luna Classic in one fell swoop. So we need to make sure that this is something we can keep up for a very long time, so that we can constantly see the price, or not the price, but constantly see the supply of Terra Luna Classic going down, and the price, therefore, going up. Now, talking about prices going up, the overall crypto market has been soaring lately. I don't get it. I'm just gonna come out, you know, straight and say it doesn't make logical sense. The inflation data that we received a couple of weeks ago at 9.1% here in the United States, not only was it higher than expected, but it was a continual increase in inflation. That's bad news. That's bad news on two fronts. It was higher than expected and continuing to move higher. We've got the interest rate decision, a 75 basis point increase in interest rates. That came in at expectations, but nonetheless, the market rallied on a 75 basis point hike, not a cut, a hike. When interest rates are rising, risky assets tend to do worse. The GDP data came out yesterday. I don't care what definition of a recession you guys are trying to follow these days. A recession simply means receding growth, receding economic growth. And that is exactly what GDP represents. You know, we're just going out with 2 consecutive quarters. Honestly, 1 quarter of GDP decline would mean that the economy is receding. It is no longer growing, and the opposite of growth is a recession. So we do have 2 consecutive quarters of GDP decline. Therefore, we are in a recession at this point in time, and the crypto market continues to move higher. Luna Classic, Terra Luna Classic continues to move higher. So some of these gains at this point in time, guys, are a little emotional to me, not logical. They don't make sense considering the overall market and the overall economy right now is in a bad place. So you have to justify it in some way, otherwise you'll go crazy. And to me, it seems like investors, especially crypto investors, they've had enough of the declines at this point. Doesn't mean these gains will be sustainable, but the prices look too good. The bottom has been here for so long that people are just itching to buy, and that's what we're seeing. It could absolutely turn back over if, you know, people start to follow the fundamentals once again and follow the economy once again. So we'll see if that happens or if they just continue to buy. And sync, man. Shout out to you guys. Anyway, if they continue to buy despite all of the things going on in the economy, we absolutely can't see these gains sustainable and moving higher. I want to know what you guys think, though, okay? Let me know your thoughts on the Lunatics token. What they're doing with this 2% burn, 2% distribution, or their 4% total tax is absolutely working at this point. Maybe there are other tokens that can jump up. Maybe people can start little shops. Maybe people can start businesses around Terra Luna Classic the same way they did about Shiba Inu coin. And I will say this. The Terra Luna Classic community is absolutely growing, and it is very strong at this point in time. It doesn't seem like people are giving up, and it actually seems like they're working harder to restore Terra Luna Classic. The 1.2% burn tax seems like it is right around the corner, and I'm absolutely excited to see that happen because all of these burns that we've already seen, the 500, 300, 200 million burns, those will be nothing when every single transaction has a burn associated with it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. How long is it going to take to get Terra Luna Classic back up to a penny? Let us know down there. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You get ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. And oh, there's a Discord down there now if you guys want to join the free Discord. So make sure to check that out. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.